a knife-wielding guy, moving towards police officers, got shot. I looked at the video. Once again, it reinforces my view that we need to give police more non-lethal alternatives. I keep telling everybody I bought this product. It's called Burner. I actually bought a couple of them. BYRNA. Go to their website, and what's phenomenal about it is it shoots projectiles, and I actually get a laser because I can't see like I used to, I can't hear like I used to, can't see like I used to. Anyway, getting old. But anyway, and I can hit a target from 30 feet away. And what happens is it's got, although New York has different laws, so I have the weaker version of projectile to follow the laws of New York. It's so stupid. But for most states, you can get it with tear gas and 2 separate pepper sprays, and it's called Burner Black. And what you end up doing is it literally, if you don't,